Welcome Go Further Fitness family. Thank you for being here. It is time to go further. Today's topic is about cravings. We all get cravings. I've got cravings for those sweets on the daily. Here's what you can do to better attack those cravings and stay on track with your goals. I'm going to be using ice cream as the example craving. I think a lot of us crave ice cream from time to time. Whatever you are craving, you can apply these principles. If you're craving pizza, burgers, cookies, chips, whatever your craving weak point is, use this process to combat that craving. First thing to do when a craving hits, evaluate the situation. Are you just having a certain emotion that makes you think you really need that food? Is it Friday night and you always binge out on pizza and ice cream on Friday night? So your body just thinks you need it? Do you actually need it? Is there something else you could be eating? Another thing to evaluate, your hydration levels. Our body confuses hunger and thirst a lot of the time. So have you been keeping up with your water that day? Are you just dehydrated and actually not hungry at all? Third point of evaluation, are you hungry for real nutrient-dense food? Maybe you just have been snacking all day, you've been on the run, and you need a good meal filled with proteins, carbs, fats, micronutrients, real food, not just that fast cookie, bar, whatever you're craving in the moment. So that is your first order of business when you have a craving. Evaluate all three of those things. If it's emotional, dehydration, or you need real food. If all of that is taken care of and you're like, nah girl, I still really want ice cream. Let's think of the best alternative. Option one, best alternative would be a healthy, nutrient-dense whole food. So have a little bit of dark chocolate with raspberries if you're craving ice cream. Get rid of that sweet tooth. Make a healthy swap for ice cream. There are so many options out there. Protein ice cream, 2-ingredient ice cream that's like peanuts and bananas, frozen. I mean, there is everything. Look on the Pinterest, type in healthy ice cream. I'll make a video for you guys on my favorite healthy ice cream, but you have plenty of options. That is your best alternative. Real, nutrient-dense, healthy food. Make a smoothie. Okay, the ideas go on and on. Option two, a good alternative, so not the best, but a good one, would be a type of protein ice cream. This is still nice and quick. They're super popular nowadays. There's Halo Top, Chili Cow, which is my favorite. This is a really good flavor. Let me see if I can zoom. Chili Cow, I love this one. The salted caramel. What is this? Oh, brown butter salted. They come in smaller compartments. You know, I should just show you guys so you know what this looks like. Is that, oh, look at the caramel here. And this whole little, this little serving size, this one little tub, there we go. Oh, is only 180 calories, keeps your portion under control. Very satisfying, plenty of ice cream in here. It's so good. It's got a huge chunk of caramel. So compared to normal ice cream, this is way less fat, way less calories, very satisfying. It's gonna keep you in check with your calories for the day. It's even gonna give you a little bit of protein. In this one, we got 12 grams of protein. That's pretty good. So definitely a better alternative than just giving into that ice cream craving and going for that full pint of Ben & Jerry's. However, your third option is to fully satisfy that craving. Because sometimes even the best Chili Cow alternative is not gonna cut it, and you just need some Ben & Jerry's, some Anderson's ice cream. If you're from Buffalo, you know what that is. My suggestion for fully satisfying that craving is decide what once in a while is for you. If you just think, you know what, this is my best option every time, I just need to fully satisfy that craving, you're gonna put on the pounds. That's the consequence of you constantly giving into that craving. I say once in a while I can have Ben & Jerry's because, I mean, this tub right here is over 1,000 calories. 1,000 calories is a huge chunk of your calories for the entire day. So I can't be eating this all the time and going way over my calories. If I eat this, I go 200 calories over my daily allowance, fine, that's not gonna completely throw me off track. This, on a consistent basis, gonna be looking a little chunky and be looking like this cow right here on the package. I fully support using the third option, which is fully satisfying that craving, because it's not gonna screw up your progress doing this once in a while. However, you define what once in a while is for you. If you're eating this once a week, maybe you start and say, I'm gonna eat this every other week. And then you bump down to once a month, once every 2 months. Okay, so for me, I'm not gonna be eating a tub of this more than a couple to a few, probably 3 times max a year. But if I'm really craving Ben & Jerry's, I'll go for it. I just make sure it's not becoming a frequent occurrence, because that's where you're gonna run into problems and weight gain, and you're gonna stray a little further away from your goals. However, one day of 1,000 calories here, you're gonna be fine. If you have made it to this point in the video, congratulations. You are a step closer to understanding how to fight your cravings, what to do when they come on and those cravings attack you. Let's recap. Number 1, evaluate the situation. Are you thirsty? Do you have an emotion that's happening right now that is causing you to want a certain food? Or do you need real food, a real full meal to satisfy your hunger? Once your evaluation is over, you have 3 options from this video at least. 1, finding a healthy, whole food alternative to your craving. 2, doing a good alternative, a healthier, protein, low-calorie option. Option number 3, fully satisfy that craving. Just make sure you define what once in a while is for you and enjoy it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know below in the comments what you do to combat cravings. I'm always looking for more ideas. What helps you when you have a craving? Do you go on a walk? Do you read a book? Do you just eat the darn thing? Let me know in the comments below. Also, subscribe to my mailing list where you'll be the first to know about these videos and any other health tips I'm throwing out there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Now that that's over with.